Welcome to Atomic Habits, Building Good Habits and Breaking Bad Ones. Today, we're diving into a book that can truly transform your life. Atomic Habits by James Clear offers a powerful framework for improving every day, not through massive changes, but through tiny, consistent efforts. Imagine the impact of improving by just 1% each day. Over time, these small changes compound, leading to remarkable results you might not have thought possible. It's not about making huge, overwhelming leaps, but about focusing on the consistent, tiny habits that create a powerful ripple effect. James Clear distills habit formation into 4 simple laws that make habit creation and breaking easy to understand and apply. The first law is make it obvious. This means creating visual cues and clear intentions to trigger your desired habits. Next, make it attractive. Associate your habits with positive feelings and immediate rewards to increase their appeal. Then, make it easy. Reduce the friction of starting a habit by making it as simple as possible. Start small and build momentum. Finally, make it satisfying. Ensure there's an immediate reward for completing your habit. Track your progress and celebrate those small wins. Atomic Habits isn't just about individual habits, but about building a complete system that supports your growth. Design your environment to make good habits easier and bad habits harder. Small changes in your surroundings can have a huge impact. Use habit stacking by linking a new habit to an existing one. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 1 minute. Even with the best intentions, challenges will arise. Here's how to navigate them. Don't let setbacks derail you completely. Everyone experiences relapses. The key is to get back on track quickly and learn from your mistakes. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Small, consistent efforts over time yield greater results than sporadic, intense bursts. Atomic Habits offers a timeless approach to personal growth. By understanding and applying these principles, you can take control of your habits and your future. Remember, make it obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Design your environment, stack your habits, and prioritize consistency. What small atomic habit will you start building today? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.